There's a reason the BMW 3 Series has remained one of the most respected luxury sedans for decades. And after looking closely at the 2026 BMW 330i Sedan, it's easy to understand why. This isn't a car that relies on flashy gimmicks or exaggerated styling to grab attention. Instead, it focuses on delivering a driving experience that feels refined, balanced, and genuinely enjoyable every single day. From the moment you see it, the 330i projects confidence with its sleek proportions, signature kidney grille, slim LED headlights, and clean body lines that give it an elegant yet sporty appearance. It's the kind of sedan that looks just as appropriate parked outside a corporate office as it does pulling into a weekend getaway, proving that timeless design never goes out of style. Step inside the cabin, and the first thing you notice is how well everything is put together. BMW has created an interior that feels modern without becoming overwhelming. The latest curved digital display blends seamlessly into the dashboard, giving the cabin a high-tech appearance while remaining easy to use. Premium leather seating, soft touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels upscale without trying too hard. The seats provide excellent support for long road trips, while the spacious cabin offers enough room for both front and rear passengers to travel comfortably. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium audio, and advanced connectivity features make everyday driving more convenient, allowing technology to enhance the experience rather than distract from it. Once you press the start button, the personality of the 2026 BMW 330i truly comes alive. The turbocharged engine delivers smooth, confident acceleration that feels effortless whether you're leaving a traffic light or merging onto the interstate. Power arrives quickly, but remains refined, making the sedan feel responsive without ever becoming difficult to control. The steering is accurate and well-weighted, giving the driver confidence through corners while remaining comfortable during daily commuting. BMW's suspension tuning deserves special recognition because it successfully balances sporty handling with impressive ride comfort. Rough pavement is absorbed without making the cabin feel disconnected from the road, while winding back roads reveal the precise handling that has made the 3 Series famous around the world. It's a car that feels equally at home during a relaxed commute or an enthusiastic weekend drive through scenic highways. Safety and technology continue to play an important role in the new 330i BMW equips the sedan with intelligent driver assistance features that quietly work in the background to make every journey safer and less stressful. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, parking assistance, and advanced collision warning systems provide added confidence without interfering with the driving experience. The infotainment system responds quickly, voice commands are intuitive, and the digital displays remain crisp and easy to read in every lighting condition. These features make the 330i feel like a truly modern luxury sedan, while still preserving the engaging character that BMW enthusiasts appreciate. For drivers in the United States searching for a luxury sedan that delivers premium comfort, advanced technology, impressive efficiency, and a genuinely rewarding driving experience, the 2026 BMW 330i Sedan remains one of the strongest choices in its class. It offers the sophistication expected from a luxury vehicle while maintaining the responsive handling that has defined the BMW brand for generations. Rather than chasing trends, the 330i continues to perfect the qualities that matter most: comfort, performance, quality, and everyday usability. It's a sedan that feels equally satisfying whether you're driving across town, commuting to work, or setting off on a cross-country road trip, making it one of the most complete and well-rounded luxury sedans available.